40 litres of smoke oil and about 20 litres of avgas. So the hovering manoeuvres are much easier to obtain when the aircraft is lighter. At the end of the performance, it loses weight that rapidly, using so much fuel.
Special is impressive enough, but as you say, this is a whole different kettle of fish, and that's what makes possible the sort of hovering manoeuvres you were just describing.
You see aerobatic aircraft that can do hovering. It's not cheap. No aircraft really do aerobatic manoeuvres. As you can see, Richard is turning tighter and tighter now, ascending, and he's trying to create a Christmas image, which is what he's trying to do. I'll just remind everyone